Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari F8 versus the Corvette Z06. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you understand what makes each vehicle unique. The Ferrari F8 Tributo, with its powerful twin-turbo V8, delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Meanwhile, the Corvette Z06 counters with a high-revving, naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8. Both cars are engineered for incredible performance, offering thrilling acceleration and impressive top speeds for enthusiasts. Beyond raw power, the design and driving experience set these two apart. The Ferrari F8 Tributo embodies sophisticated Italian styling, emphasizing luxury and aerodynamic grace. Its interior is crafted with premium materials, offering a refined cabin. The Corvette Z06, on the other hand, features a more aggressive, track-inspired look, prioritizing performance and driver engagement. Each car provides a distinct feel behind the wheel, catering to different preferences for comfort versus raw sportiness. When considering ownership, price and value are crucial factors. The Ferrari F8 Tributo typically commands a starting price well over $275,000, reflecting its exotic status and bespoke craftsmanship. In contrast, the Corvette Z06 provides incredible performance at a much more accessible price, often starting around $110,000. This makes the Z06 a compelling option for those seeking high performance without the ultra-premium price tag. Maintenance and long-term ownership costs also differ considerably. So which car is better? The answer truly depends on your priorities. If you seek unparalleled exclusivity, a rich racing heritage, and the ultimate in Italian luxury and design, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is likely your choice. However, if you prioritize raw, track-focused performance, incredible value, and a car that can dominate on the circuit, the Corvette Z06 stands out. Both are phenomenal machines, but they cater to different desires. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.